What's up everyone, Praful here, welcome back, thanks for joining in. Today is the 12th of January, today is the weekly expiry and looks like expiries are not at all easy because we opened flat and the market did vibrate in a small range multiple times. In this period, this jagah pe 5-10 minutes, the calls doubled, the puts doubled, the calls doubled, the puts doubled. So it was kind of hard to manage, and after that, what looked like a clear-cut breakout, then it completely got rejected and the market start heading lower, and we are all the way from 17,950 levels to 17,800 levels. So 150 point का एक one way movement आ गया है with a straddle pricing of 100 rupees. So expiries are not the same that used to be before, and probably going forward the expiries are going to get tougher. That's mainly because it's the main component of cluttering, because बहुत सारे लोग videos बना रहे हैं expiry day trading के ऊपर, and a lot of people have come on expiry day trading thinking that okay एक option तो zero होना ही है, and I'm going to start deploying some algos, or I'm going to start trading by myself, and because of which there is a lot of clutter. So usually क्या होता है, if any space gets cluttered, ठीक है, be it any form of business, be it trading, be it a particular style of trading, whatever it is, तो वहां पे चाहे returns कम ना हो, ठीक है, usually people say that when some space gets cluttered, the returns go down. Not necessarily, the returns might stay the same, but the risk adjusted returns will go down. मतलब क्या है, मतलब ये है कि if you have to make the same kind of returns, now you have to stomach higher MTM variance and higher drawdowns. So if you can do that, probably you might get the same kind of returns. But when any space get cluttered, basically you will be forced to have a lower risk adjusted return. So that's what is happening currently. And talking about my positions, so I had calls at 18,100 and puts at 17,750 and 800. So the puts had to be risked off to 17,700 and the calls have to be risked on to 17,950. So currently my position, all my calls are at 950 and all my puts are at 700. So premiums equal hai. So I will just risk off the puts once these reach somewhere around 14-15, and I'll risk off the calls once these reach 14-15. So that would be the approach. आज मतलब थोड़ा मतलब आज थोड़ा मार्केट को मैं टाइम दूंगा. I'll adjust with a little bit of ease. मतलब मैं hastily adjust करने वाला नहीं हूँ, because upside would definitely मतलब should cool the put options, because put options पे ज्यादा मतलब need है नहीं, because put options, look at this, 110 points away put option is trading at 10 and 140 points away call option is trading at 10. So these put options can put on immediate 5-6 points immediately, but if that happens, probably I'll have to risk off first from the put side and then probably think of risking on from the call side. So all that said, the markets have broken the day's low. Yesterday's low to breach ho chuka hai. We have this, which is a demand zone, wahan jahan se market suddenly ek bounce mara tha. So 17,800 levels, if at all breached intraday, probably we'll start seeing 17,700, 17,650 तक भी आ सकता है intraday में, because a lot of people would have shorted 17,800 puts thinking that this level will not be taken out intraday basis. So that is what even my hope is. The premiums are kind of spiking on both the sides. The MTM is slowly coming down, but that's okay. I'll risk off the puts at somewhere around 14-15 and I'll risk off the calls at 14-15. That is the plan as of now. And yeah, जब भी adjustment होगा मैं बताने वाला हूँ. Hopefully if we consolidate here, or even if we make an up move from here, probably the MTM should improve, because the puts will kind of give up faster and the calls are not exactly a threat, because काफी ज़्यादा swings बनते आ रहा है. Because यहाँ पे देखो, this will be a resistance point यहाँ पे, which was a support. Probably if we head here, यहाँ पे resistance जैसे act होगा, and यहाँ पे एक swing है, यहाँ पे 20 moving average का एक swing आता है and CPR का swing है. But of course like इस point तक मुझे adjust करना पड़ेगा to manage my MTM. But till that point, if we consolidate somewhere here, इस range में एक आधा एक घंटे consolidate कर दिए, so probably we'll get a lot of cushion from the MTM. So the time is 11:38 and markets broke the yesterday's low and tested this double bottom that I was talking about, and from there it given a bounce here. So I was on 17,900 calls, which I had to book at around 14-15, and then I had to risk it off to somewhere risk it off to 17,950. So currently my positions look something like this. The calls are at 950, puts are at 700, a 250 points triangle with around 13 and a half points in it, minus 2 points on the hedges. So I have another 11 points make from this itself. I'll not be too quick in rolling down my calls again, because these calls, they look very attractive, because 1700 calls 14 rupees per trade kar raha hai, which is pretty good. But at the same time, I wouldn't be like too quick in bringing the calls down. So as of now, the mark to market is around 57, 58, around 65,000 tak gaya tha, but now that the puts are gaining back, so the mark to market is somewhere around 60k, which translates to around 6 points, minus around almost half point, 1 point hedge में चला गया रहेगा. So around 7 points capture किए हैं, but realization 6 points है because of the hedge decay. Now what I'll do is I'll wait for these options to reach 8 again. So once they reach 8, probably at that point I'll take the 1700 call side credit. And यहाँ पे क्या है, I'll wait for this low to be breached. अगर ये low breach होता है, then I'll take the call side credit again with the stop loss above this candle. वरना I am expecting the markets to go up from here, because बहुत सारे supports टूटे हैं. Because first look at this. I'll show you guys. First, this support got breached, correct, which was a decent support. And then this support got breached, and ये support hold हुआ है. Basically, if shorts need to be trapped, probably this is the place where it has to head higher from, because यहाँ पे सब लोग मतलब call shots करके बैठे हुए हैं, and that is evident from the options that are far OTM on the call side, because 18300 call option भी अभी 1.3 rupees trade कर रहा है. So जो भी adjustment होगा, I'll keep you guys posted. As of now, I don't intend to make any adjustments yet. So guys, the market is about to get closed, and I am ending the day at almost 1.3 lakhs, which turns out to be 1.25% of the deployed capital. And market from, if you look at the market from a bigger picture, it looks like pretty flat, pretty sideways day, काफी sideways day था, but absolutely not. बार बार डे ब्रेक होना, ठीक है. Look at this. पहले डे ब्रेक, and then immediately range के अंदर आ गया, so everyone's like, oh, fake out, and then immediately second day low break, and then everyone's like, okay, day low break करो, चलो puts sell, sorry, call sell करो, and then all those stop loss got hit, because again फिर से range के अंदर आ गया, and then यहाँ पे फिर से एक अंदर penetrate किया, and after that again a day low break, and from there immediate reversal, and from there immediate reversal. So not an easy market at all, because price action काफी dirty बन चुका है. That's mainly because like too much clutter, man. I mean, see, I'm planning to, as I've been saying, like the positional strategy is under development, and once I get all the parameters set in that positional stuff, I'll be moving to positional stuff. This is too much, it's the markets will make you super anxious. Okay, so 12,000 quantity, it was 10,000 quantity, and on 10,000 quantity मैंने almost 113 points capture किया है, and last में 12,000 quantity थोड़ा up करना पड़ा, and paid a lot on the hedges में ही कितना गया रहेगा, 18,200, 10k, 16, 17k, 17k plus 3k, almost 35k hedges में ये गया रहेगा. I mean, part of doing business, सेबी ने सबका मतलब ले रखी है, and people are making left, right, and center all this money by selling these far OTM hedges. I mean, you can't help if you're not in a position to change something. We should not crib about it. We just have to accept the fact that this is the reality, and whatever, all said and done, finally, like after two back-to-back red expiries, I've got one green expiry, 1.25%. Can't complain. I hope you guys also had a decent expiry, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.